All right, Hiro-san, good morning. It's kind of early. It's Sunday, 7:30 in the morning. Let me unlock it for you. Oh, you got it. Okay. Anyway, we are on a trip. Trip of all trips, right?
Yes.
Gonna pick up some seafood, some fresh seafood. This is a crazy trip. So it's currently Sunday morning at 7:30. We're gonna drive up to Atlanta, pick up some seafood, and drive back down tomorrow. And you guys will see what we pick up. Got a little cooler back there. You want to drive or you want me to drive first? It's up to you.
I need to sleep.
You need to sleep? Okay. No good afternoon?
I wake up in the good afternoon time.
All right, let's go. Oh, yeah. All right. Love the dash. Since we're taking a nice little road trip, let's adjust the dash. Get a little sporty here. Yeah. Okay, we finally made it here. Suburb just north of Atlanta called Cumming. All right, and of course this car performed flawlessly. You see the time? Still Sunday at 11:30. Over 10 hours of driving. We finally made it. All right.
You did it.
I did it. Don't ask me how. I would have to say a little energy drink. Bright and early tomorrow morning to Lidl. All right, we finally made it here, Hiro.
Good morning. I'm here at Atlanta, one of the Lidl store.
Yes, their newest one. They opened this one just this past September 25th. And we heard they had the freshest seafood here. But most importantly, the freshest salmon. And so we wanted to inspect it ourselves and see if it's really true. Take something back home and make something with it. All right, Hiro, let's go.
Let's go.
Hiro-san, take a look at this bakery. So many amazing things to choose from. They've got croissants, they've got baguettes, which are actually par-baked in France. Then they're sent to the different stores, and then they finish baking them there. They also have donuts and bagels, which are actually from the United States. But pretty much everything else is par-baked in Germany, sent to the different stores, and then, of course, freshly baked for everyone who comes through here. All right, Hiro, let's go look for some fresh seafood. Okay, here we're here at the seafood section, and of course we see here beautiful fresh salmon from Bakkafrost. Larger portions, you have a little area that's smaller portions, and then you have a whole fillet over here. So we were in Wayne just a week ago in their processing plant. It was amazing to see a whole salmon come out of the box while they ship it from the Faroe Islands. The scales are taken out, the head's removed, and then the fish is actually split in half. From there they clean up the fillets. And after that, it runs through the machine that removes the pin bones. And there's a machine that cuts them in sections. It was an unbelievable process to see. Then they package it up and then it's sent to the different stores. Anyway, we're so happy to be here to see how fresh salmon from Bakkafrost ends up in basically a grocery store. You can just take it home, slice it, enjoy. Make sushi or enjoy some sashimi. Hiro-san, we should take something back home, huh?
Yeah, sure.
wasabi chips, hot brown rice chips. Sound like they're good for you, Hiro. You make some really delicious with this. Wasabi. You gotta try it out, and see. Okay. And one reason why you shop at Lidl, take a look at this. We always buy this at home. England's best, 18 for $4.86. Tell you, that's a great deal. We finally got to the sauce department. All right, this is the original soy sauce by Lidl. Interesting. We'll try that out later. What else are you gonna get here?
This one. They call it karate teriyaki.
Karate teriyaki.
Yeah. That's interesting.
Wait, hold on. There's a picture of this guy doing karate. Really? That's for real. All right, I'm gonna have some of that later. Maybe I can start doing some karate. What else?
And then Thai style sweet chili.
Okay. Nice. So incidentally, 80% of the items here are private label for Lidl. All right, we're gonna get some cream cheese bread. All right, yeah. Good price.
I think I have to think to move to Atlanta. Let's get closer. Wow, unbelievable.
All right, I'm getting a cheese pretzel here. But more importantly, look at this. They had the pastel de nata. These are unbelievable. Originally from Portugal, which we were at. We're gonna try this and see how it is. All right, Hiro-san, finally back from coming Georgia.
Yes.
A bunch of stuff. The dry goods here, and let's open up this and we'll see what's in here.
Okay, and salmon.
Okay. Center cut. Oh, a nice big piece again. Okay, perfect.
And cream cheese.
Okay. What are we making today?
Salmon katsu
Salmon katsu. Okay, I know there's a little twist to it.
with this
We saw
wasabi
these.
chips.
Yeah, we saw this at the shelf, as you guys saw. Okay, perfect. All right, let's take a look at this color. Looks good. How's it?
That's pretty strong wasabi.
Okay, Hiro-san, what is the first step?
Okay, first step, I'm gonna do the flour and the eggs and wasabi chips.
Okay. Pretty interesting, huh?
Yes.
Some of you wonder why you put the flour in and then the egg. Well, the egg just stick on the salmon. So you put the flour on the outside. Okay, we do a little double coating here.
Okay.
Gonna make it crispier. Another layer of this wasabi chips. Make that coating real thick and insulates the salmon so it doesn't cook that much. I'm gonna kind of pan fry, deep fry kind of combination right here.
Yes.
(352) 348, so around 350 degrees. That's where you want to be. What's in the sauce?
Sweet chili.
Okay.
Soy sauce.
Here's on what we were just saying. This looks so good, doesn't it?
Looks good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a try. Available at Lidl too. Yes. Enjoy. This video was so many hours in the making, driving all the way up to Cumming, Georgia, and coming back. Hiro. Hurricane Milton is blowing strong. We're just hoping that everyone on the West Coast stays safe. It's going to be hitting tonight sometime. We got lucky to get back. All right, take a look at this beautiful cross section of the salmon. How's it taste, Hiro?
Very, very good.
Very, very good.
Inside is just kind of medium rare or medium.
Yeah, right.
So soft.
This is really like sushi quality, sashimi quality salmon.
The outside is crunchy.
Wow, that's really good. Of course, I don't taste any of the wasabi flavored chips. It is crunchy. Maybe there's a little bit of hint, but absolutely delicious. Okay, Hiro-san, we have another amazing dish that you're going to make. Find this at Lidl. You can tell right away. Faroe Islands Atlantic salmon. Again, we are at the plant in Wayne. We saw them unload the fish, process the whole thing over there at the plant, and then send out to the Lidl stores across the United States on the eastern side. And they're growing pretty rapidly. Anyway, today's recipe includes, of course, this delicious salmon. We have the Lidl cream cheese spread, and of course here, Japanese-style spring roll wrappers. what do they say, like 10 or 12 seconds in cold water.
Actually, I'm gonna use 2 more pieces.
Okay.
Yeah. Halfway.
All right, special sauce.
Original soy sauce.
Okay.
Again.
All right, interesting. I really want to try this one. All right, take a look at this roll. The Japanese style rice paper. All right, here we go. Tasting part. Hiro-san, enjoy.
Yes.
All right. Also, the rice paper still crunchy.
Yeah. Still crunchy.
Okay. All the salmon, the cream cheese. Salmon and cream cheese is one of my favorite combinations. Kind of a riceless and JB roll. Semi JB tempura. Interesting, huh? All right, looks good. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us, would you try this at home? It's great seeing all these products at Lidl. It was amazing. You can find all these products in one place. Hiro-san, see you soon.
See you next time.